Of the afterburner. Jerry McCart has got what we call with great humor a big Bic lighter. Ladies and gentlemen, get your cameras ready and keep your cameras ready on the car and the airplane. There will be a surprise involved with this race. All eyes at ground level. All right, now, by your applause, do you think our pilot, Gary Ward, is going to win this race? By your applause, do you think our driver, Jerry McCart, is going to win this race? My spectators have spoken, and within seconds, this race will be history. So here comes Gary Ward.
That'll be cool.
Gary in the air, Jerry on the ground. 400 horsepower in the air, 12,000 horsepower on the ground. Remember, Gary on the ground, F50, Gary in the air. He's got... Gary Ward. He got Gary Ward while the drogue chute was coming out.